Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and service door. Removal. Loosen the captive P1 Phillips head screw, identified with an optical drive lock icon, that secures the optical drive to the notebook. Using a small, non-metallic tool, press on the metal tab on the rear edge of the optical drive to free the optical drive from its connector on the system board. Remove the optical drive from the optical drive bay. Replacement. Insert the optical drive into the optical drive bay until the tray door bezel is flush with the side of the base enclosure. Tighten the captive P1 Phillips head screw, identified with an optical drive lock icon, that secures the optical drive to the notebook.